Python, Django, if statement and template around extends. I would like to have a template that extends another conditionally. Basically, when a variable called Ajax is true, I do not want to have the template extend another. Any clues?
You cannot do it like that. You can however set a variable and use that to choose the template to extend. Then in Python code you write something like, you may wish to refer to the documentation for more information.
While you may not wrap extends in logic blocks, since it must be the first tag if used, it can still accept variables, including filters. This should fit your purpose nicely. Note, the yes/no filter also accepts null values, none, as the third choice, and if you do not specify one, as in this case, it will fall back to converting it to false, i.e. it will return the second choice. This allows you to not specify the Ajax variable in your template without breaking it. Suggested by user Raphael. This will only work if you are using a request context instead of a plain context object and you have the request context processor enabled, or alternatively, if you insert the request object in your template context.
I was looking for the solution of the same problem and came with a bit better workaround than suggested by Klaus Hoffman. It is better because you don't have to have two separate base templates for Ajax and non-Ajax requests and, which is more important, you don't have to define if statement that will define which base template to use in each controller. In your case the solution would be page.html. base.html. So, base.html is always included, but it prints its content only when not Ajax. Update. This can be simplified by creating and adding a new connects processor that will populate Ajax context variable from the http request.is_Ajax, so you don't have to do anything extra in your controllers and templates at all.
I know this is an old thread, but in case someone stumbles across this, I believe the best way to achieve your goal would be views.py. Base.html. And in ajax.html you wouldn't use any %extends % or %block % tag, since you won't be calling anything for ajax.html to extend onto the base. That will be taken care of by include.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.